Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Yeah, last video I forgot to say goodbye. That kind of sucks. So yeah, we're gonna have to kind of compromise this. So yeah, the storm is getting really hard. So this video can only be like 5 minutes. So like yeah. This video can only be like 5 minutes, so I'll try my best, I guess. Hey, what's this? Ooh, that's satisfying. Icy Smicy. Last video I forgot to say goodbye, and that kind of sucked. Like sucked for you guys. I'm sorry. This video is only gonna be 5 minutes long, so yeah. Ooh, what's this? Oh yeah, that's Frozen. Last video I forgot to say goodbye, so yeah. My hands are in a lot of pain right now, so I'll only stay here until the video hits 5 minutes. Guys, the storm's really rallying up. So yeah, it's pretty cool though. Ow. That kind of, oh my goodness. That branch made me freak out for a second. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. The storm is really picking up, guys. So if you guys really like this video, put a like in the comments, or put a like for this video, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, we basically have 1 minute and 30 seconds left, guys. So I said that a little bit too early, but now's the time. But yeah. So yeah, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at. Oh gosh, guys, the storm is going crazy right now. The wind is really picking up. Oh gosh, my face is being punctured by these ice icicles. Ow, that hurts. That actually hurts, bro. Oh, guys. Oh, gosh, guys. So, yeah. This video is going by pretty quick. For me and you, I guess. It feels like it's only been a minute so far. So yeah. Whew, it's getting really cold out here. Alright, so I bet you guys have a great time now. Bye-bye!